This is it. We're heading into the final lap, and McQueen is right behind the leaders. What a comeback!
199 laps, and baby, it all comes down to this!
This is it, kiddo.
You got 4 turns left, one at a time. Drive it in deep and hope it sticks. Go! Yeah, run that.
McQueen's going inside. Chick and the King are loose.
I think McQueen is out of the race! McQueen saved it!
He's back on the track.
Float like a Cadillac, sting like a Beamer.
Lightning McQueen is gonna win the Piston Cup!
Come on, you got it, Stickers!
I am not coming in behind you again, old man!
Oh no!
Yeah! Woo! I won, baby! Yeah!
What's he up to, Doc?
What are you doing, kid?
I think the King should finish his last race.
You just gave up the Piston Cup. You know that?
Ah, this grumpy old race car I know once told me something.
It's just an empty cup.
Darrel, is pushing on the last lap legal?
Hey, man, he's not really pushing him. He's just giving him a little bump draft. Hey, what? What's going on? That's what I call racing right there.
Bravo, el mio amigo.
Way to go, buddy!
There's a lot of love out there, you know, man.
Don't embarrass me, Fillmore.
That's my hot rod.